Kali Linux is a powerful operating system, specifically designed for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts. It is a versatile tool that has become a staple in the field of information security. Whether you are a seasoned expert or a beginner, Kali Linux offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to a wide range of security tasks. It is designed for cybersecurity professionals who need a reliable and efficient platform to conduct their work. From penetration testing to digital forensics, Kali Linux provides the necessary tools to perform these tasks effectively. Kali Linux is used for penetration testing and ethical hacking. These activities are crucial for identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities in systems and networks. Ethical hackers use Kali Linux to simulate cyber attacks and uncover weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. It has a wide range of tools, each designed to address specific aspects of cybersecurity. These tools include network analyzers, vulnerability scanners, and password crackers, among others. The extensive toolkit makes Kali Linux an indispensable resource for security professionals. These tools help identify vulnerabilities in systems, applications, and networks. By using Kali Linux, security analysts can perform thorough assessments and develop strategies to protect against potential threats. This operating system is based on Debian Linux, which is known for its stability and reliability. By building on Debian, Kali Linux inherits these qualities, ensuring a robust and dependable platform for security operations. It provides a stable and secure environment. Kali Linux is open source, meaning that its source code is freely available for anyone to inspect, modify, and enhance. This transparency fosters trust and collaboration within the cybersecurity community. This means it is free to use and modify. Users can customize Kali Linux to suit their specific needs, adding or removing tools as required. The open source nature of Kali Linux also encourages continuous improvement and innovation. It has a large and active community. This community contributes to the development and maintenance of Kali Linux, ensuring that it remains up-to-date and effective in addressing the latest security challenges. Kali Linux is regularly updated with new tools and features. These updates are essential for keeping pace with the rapidly evolving landscape of cybersecurity threats. By staying current, Kali Linux helps security professionals. This ensures it stays current with the latest threats. Regular updates whether you are conducting a security audit, performing digital forensics, or engaging in various security tools, making it an essential tool for anyone involved in cybersecurity. The flexibility and comprehensive nature of Kali Linux make it suitable for a wide range of applications. Kali Linux is an essential tool for security professionals. Its extensive toolkit and robust platform enable users to perform detailed security assessments and protect their systems effectively. It helps security professionals protect systems and data. By using Kali Linux, they can identify vulnerabilities, develop mitigation strategies, and ensure the security and integrity of their digital assets. Ethical hacking is crucial in today's digital world. As cyber threats continue to evolve, the need for skilled professionals who can anticipate and counteract these threats becomes increasingly important. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to protect organizations from potential cyber attacks. They think like malicious hackers, but act with the permission and for the benefit of the organization. It helps organizations identify weaknesses. By proactively finding and fixing vulnerabilities, ethical hackers help prevent data breaches and other cyber incidents. This proactive approach is essential in maintaining the integrity and security of an organization's digital assets. These weaknesses could be exploited by malicious actors. Without the intervention of ethical hackers, organizations would be at a higher risk of falling victim to cyber attacks, which can lead to significant financial and reputational damage. Kali Linux plays a vital role in ethical hacking. This powerful open source platform is specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools that ethical hackers use to test the security of systems and networks. With Kali Linux, ethical hackers simulate real-world attacks, These simulations help organizations understand how their systems would hold up under actual attack conditions, allowing them to strengthen their defenses accordingly. This helps organizations understand their vulnerabilities. By identifying and addressing these weaknesses, organizations can better protect their sensitive data and maintain the trust of their customers and stakeholders. Kali Linux provides a safe environment. Ethical hackers can conduct their tests in a controlled setting, ensuring that no actual harm comes to the organization's live systems during the testing process. This is important for testing security measures. By using Kali Linux, ethical hackers can thoroughly evaluate the effectiveness of an organization's security protocols and recommend improvements where necessary. Ethical hackers use Kali Linux to perform penetration testing. This involves a comprehensive assessment of an organization's security posture, identifying potential entry points that could be exploited by attackers. This involves simulating attacks on systems. By mimicking the tactics, techniques, and procedures of real-world attackers, ethical hackers can provide valuable insights into how to defend against such threats. By doing so, they can identify and fix vulnerabilities. This continuous cycle of testing and improvement is crucial for maintaining robust cybersecurity defenses. Ethical hacking with Kali Linux is essential. It equips cybersecurity professionals with the tools and knowledge they need to stay ahead of cyber threats and protect their organizations effectively. It helps organizations stay ahead of cyber threats. By leveraging the capabilities of Kali Linux, ethical hackers can ensure that their organizations are well prepared to face the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Ethical hacking is a controlled form of hacking. Unlike malicious hacking, which aims to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain or to cause harm, ethical hacking is performed with a different intent. It is a proactive approach to cybersecurity, where professionals, known as ethical hackers, are hired to identify and fix security weaknesses before they can be exploited by malicious actors. It is performed with permission from the owner of the system. This permission is often formalized through contracts and agreements, ensuring that the ethical hacker operates within legal boundaries. The process involves a thorough examination of the system's defenses, simulating potential attacks to uncover vulnerabilities. The goal is to find and fix vulnerabilities. By identifying these weaknesses, ethical hackers help organizations strengthen their security measures, making it more difficult for malicious hackers to breach their systems. This proactive approach is crucial in today's digital age, where cyber threats are constantly evolving. Ethical hackers follow a strict code of ethics. This code ensures that they act with integrity, respect privacy, and maintain confidentiality. They are committed to using their skills for the greater good, helping to protect sensitive information and maintain trust in digital systems. Ethical hacking is also known as white hat hacking. The term white hat signifies the ethical nature of their work, in contrast to black hat hackers who engage in illegal activities. White hat hackers use their expertise to defend against cyber threats, rather than to exploit them. It is different from malicious hacking. While both types of hackers possess similar technical skills, their intentions and methods are vastly different. Ethical hackers work to protect and secure, whereas malicious hackers aim to disrupt and damage. Malicious hacking, or black hat hacking, is illegal and unethical. Black hat hackers often operate in the shadows, using their skills to steal data, commit fraud, or cause other forms of harm. Their actions can lead to significant financial losses, legal consequences, and damage to reputations. Ethical hacking is legal and beneficial. By working within the law and with the consent of system owners, ethical hackers provide valuable services that help to safeguard digital assets. Their work is essential in preventing data breaches and ensuring the integrity of information systems. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in cybersecurity. They collaborate with organizations to develop robust security strategies, conduct regular security assessments, and respond to potential threats. Their expertise is invaluable in creating a secure digital environment. They help organizations improve their security posture. By identifying and addressing vulnerabilities, ethical hackers enable organizations to build stronger defenses against cyber attacks. This continuous improvement process is vital for staying ahead of emerging threats. Ethical hacking is essential for protecting sensitive data. In an era where data breaches are increasingly common, The role of ethical hackers in safeguarding personal and corporate information cannot be overstated. Their efforts help to ensure that sensitive data remains secure and confidential. Social media is now part of our daily lives. This makes it a target for cyber criminals. Kali Linux can be used to enhance social media security. Ethical hackers can use Kali Linux to identify vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities could be exploited on social media platforms. This includes weaknesses in authentication and privacy settings. Kali Linux can also be used to detect social engineering attacks. These attacks aim to trick users into giving up sensitive information. By identifying these attacks, ethical hackers can help protect users. Section 5. Key tools for social media analysis. Kali Linux offers a variety of tools for social media analysis. These tools help ethical hackers gather information and identify vulnerabilities. One such tool is Maltego. Maltego is a powerful tool for information gathering. It can be used to map out relationships on social media. Another useful tool is Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a web application security testing tool. It can be used to intercept and modify traffic. This is helpful for identifying vulnerabilities in social media applications. Section 6. Real-world applications, ethical hacking in action. There are many real-world examples of ethical hacking in social media. In one case, an ethical hacker used Kali Linux to discover a vulnerability. This vulnerability allowed attackers to take over user accounts. In another case, an ethical hacker used Kali Linux to expose a privacy flaw. This flaw allowed advertisers to access user data without consent. These examples highlight the importance of ethical hacking. Ethical hackers play a vital role in protecting users and organizations. Section 7. The ethical imperative, responsibility in hacking. With great power comes great responsibility. This is especially true in ethical hacking. Ethical hackers have access to sensitive information. They must use this access responsibly. Ethical hackers must adhere to a strict code of ethics. This includes obtaining permission before testing systems. It also includes disclosing all vulnerabilities responsibly. Ethical hackers must prioritize the security and privacy of users. They must use their skills for good. Section 8. The future of social media security. Social media is constantly evolving. As social media platforms grow, so do the threats. Ethical hacking will continue to play a crucial role in social media security. Ethical hackers will need to stay ahead of the curve. They must adapt to new technologies and threats. The future of social media security depends on collaboration. Ethical hackers, social media companies, and policymakers need to work together. This will create a safer online environment. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing ethical hacking. Kali Linux is an invaluable tool for ethical hacking. It empowers security professionals to protect systems and data. Ethical hacking is essential for securing social media. By embracing ethical hacking, we can create a safer online world. Ethical hacking helps organizations and individuals stay ahead of cyber threats. It is our shared responsibility to promote and support ethical hacking practices. This will ensure a more secure digital future for everyone.